why I can't read this file? Because it's dashed file name. Bandit level 1. Let's go. So basically we are inside the bandit 0 as we did the previous video, and we have the password for level 1. So let's copy this, and if you recall, we have entered this bandit 0 machine with the SSH command, and now we want to exit it. So pressing exit will close the connection, and now we are back to our machine. So if I wanted to make like retype a command that I have typed before, we have something that called history. I can use like the upper arrow key, and as you can see, if I press it once, it shows me the last command that I have typed. In this case, it's history. If I type it again, if I press the upper key arrow again, it shows me the one that before that command. In this case, it's bandit 0. And here I can toggle the commands that I need. But let's say that I don't know the command. Where is it? Is it like the last couple of days, the last 10 commands, the last 100 commands? I'm not sure. So what I can do is like press Ctrl R, and now it prompts like a search, and I can type in, let's say, SSH, and it suggests like autofill what I need to know. Is it bandit 0, like whatever that you have typed before? If I wanted this command, I can press the right arrow key, and now it like paste it in the input section. So now let's just put it up here. What I have done is Ctrl L, and it's kind of clearing the screen for me. It clears it out, but it not exactly, because if I scroll with my mouse, I can see what I have done previously. If I press, let's say, if I type in clear, now, as you saw here, I can't scroll my mouse. It's for me, it's better to use the Ctrl L. It's easier, like faster, Ctrl L, and I can see what I have done before. So what I wanted to show you, yes, I still get it. And the SSH bandit 0. Now we are going to bandit 1. It asks for the password and pasting it. And now we are in the bandit 1 machine. So, like as described in the site, the password for the next level is stored in a file called dash, located in the home directory. Okay, but if I see like ls, I have this dash file. It's a file named dash. As you can see, it's a simple file. It's not a directory. So if I type in the cat dash, it doesn't know what to do with this. It kind of awaits for my prompt, the continue of my prompt, because the dash, basically in Linux, let me just close this one. The dash is for operators or arguments for that command. Like if I have typed ls, I can use ls as it is, and I can use ls minus l dash l for make it a list, and ls dash a to show the hidden files, etc. Well, basically, just a little explanation about these two files that over here. It shows only on the ls-a because it's kind of hidden, and this represents the current directory, and this represents the parent directory. So if I type in here pwd, yeah, as you can see, I'm at -home -bandit1. If I type in cd change directory and I go 2 dots and then press pwd, now you can see that I'm -home. I'm at the parent of my directory. So why am I showing this also? I just type cd to get back to the bandit1 home. And in order for the terminal or for the interpreter to recognize that what I need you to do is handle a file name, yeah, and not an operator, not an argument for another command, I need you to read the file in the current directory. As you can see, the dot is the current directory, and inside the current directory, there's a file named dash. And this is how you do it. And now, as you can see, I can copy and continue to my next level. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you on the next one. The next one, we're going to talk about spaces in the name of the file. So stay tuned, guys. See you next video.